Hi! In front of me is Nokia G11 and today I would like to show you how you can change the food apps on this device. You need to start by going into Play Store, clicking on the search bar and installing new default app. In my case, Opera mini browser. You don't have to open it, just wait for it to download and select Home button. Now click on Settings. Choose Apps and Notifications, click on Advanced and select Default Apps. After that, tap on one of those sections. I will go with Browser app, click on app that you wish to set up, in my case Opera, and simply go back. As you can see after that, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!